Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Coupe. This one has the 6-speed manual transmission and is painted in Jet Fighter Gray. We'll start at the rear here. So here we go. So here's your trunk lid here, nice and tidy here. As you can see, your trunk itself, nice deep trunk for a Mustang, so you can fit quite a bit of stuff. So you can see the depth of it with this item here. So this actually goes against the car. It's held on by magnets. That's to protect it from door dings and stuff near the parking lot. So the previous owner had that. So it kind of shows you how much he cared for the car. Over here we have a subwoofer. It's part of the 12-speaker B&O sound package. So it has an upgraded stereo. Underneath here we have the tire pressure. The tire pump. Okay, we'll go ahead and close the trunk here. And we'll zoom in up here so you can see there's your antenna up there. And you can see the interior there. Here's your paint. Looks awesome. What a great color. We have this spoiler. It's done in a really cool texture, like a dark gray. And we have a gurney flap right on the spoiler there. And then what the unique thing about this car is it's kind of filled the spot for the Performance Pack 2 from GT, the Shelby GT350, and the Bullitt Mustang. So it's kind of a parts build car, but they took all the right parts and put it on this car. And we'll try to go over that. So here's your tail lights there. You got the black tail panel, Mach 1 badge there. So we have the 4.5-inch exhaust tips, and you can change the exhaust note on it. So you would see similar tips like that on the Shelby GT500. We got the rear diffuser down there. That is also featured on the GT500. And it's functional as well as this rear spoiler. And then down here we have the wheels. So we have a really cool looking design wheel. It's an aluminum wheel. So it's the same size wheels as the GT350 was. For tire size, we have a 315/30 ZR19 with Michelin tires all the way around. We got large brakes with the orange brake calipers. Okay, moving to the front. So you can see the brakes there. We got the Brembo 6-piston calipers or 15-inch rotor. Again, Michelin tires. We got a 305/30 ZR19 in the front. And this is really a great handling track car. It also has mag ride suspension, so you can change your suspension feel. It's a really cool track car. And coming over here, here's your door panel. We got black interior. Here's your power locks, power windows, and then your speakers there. There's your door grab there. Take a look at the door jambs here. So you can see it's nice and tidy here. Got Mach 1 kick plate there. It looks great. Nice and clean throughout here. Open up this back seat so you can see the condition. It looks wonderful. Looks like brand new back there. Nice thing, it has a rear seat in this car. Let's take a look at the dash up here. There you go. So the B&O sound system up there. We have a unique Mach 1 chassis plate there. So you know when you have a chassis plate on the car, it's a unique car. Here's your glove box here. And on this, so it does have the owner's manual in here. There you go. Carpeted floor mats. Then we got the power seats. They're leather. We'll scan this up. Really cool looking design. I love the material on it. And you got that nice orange pinstripe there. A nice headrest. I like the orange accents on this car. It's got the Mach 1 appearance package. Very subtle. It's not in your face, but it really is kind of. There's our rear spoiler profile with a gurney flap. Looks great. Come in here, let's take a look. There's your rear wheel. You can see it sticks out. I like that. It's really cool. There's your stripe down there with the orange pinstripe. And that cool Mach 1 badge. Your mirrors are the same color as the spoiler there. Coming to the front of the car, we have a functional front spoiler, so it's engineered, so it's not just slapped on there. They are purposeful. They do hold the aerodynamics. So it's kind of a spoiler on a spoiler. And we'll just feel down there. Oh. Actually feels pretty good down there. So you got a black grille. You got the faux fog lights. They're not real, but they look cool. You got the black, oh, it's the gray pony LED headlights. And then under the hood here, nice hood liner there. And here's your engine. It's a naturally aspirated 5-liter Coyote motor. This one is borrowed from the Bullitt Mustang, so it makes 480 horsepower, more than this standard Coyote motor. They also have adjustable struts, so that's a nice upgrade there. And there's your large cold air intake. And then we got the brace up here with the Mach 1 badge. We'll go ahead and close the here. And let's just zoom in up here. So look at this cool stripe. Mach 1 down there. I love that color combination. Looks great on this. It's got the performance hood there. And coming through here, see the front. I don't see many marks on this car. It's like a brand new car, really. And then here's your front wheels. Again, those orange brake calipers, Brembo brakes. Really great looking wheel as well. It's a really cool car. It sounds so good. I can't wait to start it up for you guys. And here's your door panel here. So we got the 700A package. So you got the memory seats here, power mirrors, power windows, and we do have a blind spot monitor there. I'll show you the dash on this side. There's your door jambs over here. Kick plate looks good, nice and clean. And then your seat on this side here looks great. I'll show you those pedals. It's got 3 pedals because it's a manual. It's a fun car to drive. Carpeted floor mats, power seats with power lumbar, and we'll scan the condition here so you can see they look just like new. Very comfortable seat. There's that orange pinstripe. All right, now we'll get in the car. Over here we got your headlight controls. We got a nice secret compartment here. You got your trunk release here. And over on this side here, we got manual tilt and telescopic wheel. Over here, you got your signal lights, and it does have lane keep as well. Here's your stereo controls, so for your stereo on your wheel. We got cruise control settings over here. Here you got your arrow keys and your Bluetooth for your digital dash. Nav button here, you got your pony button and music and settings. Up here we got your windshield wipers, and it does have automatic windshield wipers as well. Here's your 6-speed manual transmission. We'll get back to that. So for now, let's start the car up. We'll put the clutch in and push button start. Sounds so good. Then we got a manual knee brake here. And we'll zoom in out here so you can see that steering wheel. So it's got the nice leather wrap steering wheel, 3-spoke design with the Mustang pony right in the center of the horn there. Coming into we have a full digital dash, so you got your tack on the left there, speedometer on the right, then you got your full touchscreen there. You're gonna hit this pony button here so you can see you got my mode, exhaust mode, so you can change the exhaust, quiet, normal, track. You got quiet start, so if you want to put it in neighbor mode there, we'll put it in track mode here because it sounds really good. Come back out here, we got track apps, so all that kind of stuff. Line lock. You got your performance shift indicator, so you can make your light come on for shifting. You got launch control. Has Rev Match. Change your gauges, the color, and your cluster appearance. Another cool feature that this car has is a non-lift shift, so you don't have to lift the pedal, your gas pedal, when you're shifting this car. That's a really cool feature. Again, it's a race-inspired car. It also has mag ride, so you can change your suspension feel and your steering control. So it has electronic steering, so you can make it sport, comfort, however you like. Coming up here, we have your universal garage door opener. And you got your map lights up there. You got your light sensitive rearview mirror, and then come up here is your speaker with the B&O stereo. We got your vents up there with your performance gauges. So you got an oil pressure gauge and a vacuum gauge. And then you have your touchscreen here. So we'll start over here. It has audio, Here's your climate control. So it does have dual zone climate control. Phone settings, has factory nav as well, and it's voice activated. Here's your apps, and then your settings here. So it does have Bluetooth, obviously, navigation, FordPass, Apple CarPlay, and valet mode. Throw it in reverse so you can see it has, there we go, reverse camera there. Just below that we have your sound controls, your audio controls. It does have heated and ventilated seats, so we'll turn the heat off, it's getting warm. And then we got your AC controls there, push button start, and we got toggle switches down here, so your hazards, your traction control, here's your steering feel, and your driving mode. So you can change it on the dash there, so you can change your cluster appearance. So really cool. Coming down here, we got your sync technology on there. It says we have a 6-speed Tremec transmission. This is borrowed from the Shelby GT350, so this is a bulletproof transmission. Really fun transmission to shift, and it is a 6-speed as well with a white ball there. We got your manual e-brake there. That's really cool. We got 2 cup holders here that are illuminated. Here's your console cover. So open that up, you can see how deep it is here, so you can fit quite a bit of items. It does have a 12-volt socket here and a USB port there. Okay, I'm gonna open the door here. I'll turn on the headlights. Now let's give it a couple revs for you guys. Oh, I love that sound. Wow. There we go. Really like the sound of this car. Put these windows up here so you can see how this car looks like. The doors and everything shut. Come up to the front there. There's those headlights. It's got a really cool stance to it. Love that color combination. This car really pronounces. You can see those tires sticking out there. I love that look. It's a really good car for handling. Sounds really good. Coming to the rear here, there's those big 4.5-inch tips there. Listen to that idle. Wow, just idling sounds so good. And then we got the sequential tail lights there as well. I believe this car had just over 5,000 kilometers on it, so a low kilometer car as well. Forgot to look at the dash, but I believe that's what it has on it. This is a 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Appearance Pack Edition in Jet Fighter Gray with a 6-speed manual transmission. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.